Hey everybody, today's video I'm going to show you how to get that free premium LinkedIn account. And I'm doing this from the very beginning because they changed systems on how to verify us. So let's jump into it and see what happens. I will have a link to this down below in the description. So status, all right, branch of service, last name. I am going to blur some of this out, guys. You're not going to get all my information. Discharge date, month, November 2012. Email address, verify, share ID. Check your email. An email has been sent. All right, I received an email. It says, click the following link to finish verifying your military status. Please upload the following 2 documents. Drop and drag your files here or browse. All right, now I've uploaded my D214 and my driver's license. We're going to hit continue and see where this takes us. So it should take a minute. Hang tight while I upload and scan your documents. 2 hours later. Okay, this took maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Copy. Upgrade now. So this is telling me to agree and join. I already have an account. So I'll go down here, already on LinkedIn. Now you put your email address in, sign it. Activate offer. Welcome to Premium. Well, it's that easy. I edited out maybe about 5 minutes of this just because I had to go find my ID, upload it, had to scrub my D214, meaning blacked out my social security number, my address, and that's it because they don't need to know that stuff. And now I have a premium account and I have it for a year, 11/23/2024. I have a premium account. It's easy, guys. And it was simple altogether from starting this video to now. Add 5 minutes, and that's literally how long it took me. It's easy, guys. Use it. It's free. It's for us. It's there. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, notification button. If you want to see some more videos pop up, it'll show up on your phone or your computer or however you have it set up. And let's just get the information out there. It's free. Let's do it. See you guys in the next video.